Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta, and I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Today, I'm going to be talking about product empties. Basically, I have some bunch of products which I'm using from a long time and they're completely over. So, I'll be just sharing my reviews and whether you should buy it or not. So, let's dive into the video. So talking about the first product, it is by Streaks. It is their hair serum. I really love this product. You can see I've completely used up the bottle. There is nothing left. Talking about the review, I really enjoyed the product for sure. I mean, I used to use this product before straightening or ironing or curling my hair. Whenever I've used this product, it really gives such a smooth finish, a shine to your hair. At the same time, gives you a nice fragrance. Your hair smells so good. And talking about the price point of view, it is 195 rupees for 100 ml. Definitely on the affordable side, and I really love this product. So thumbs up. So up next, I'm going to be talking about a body wash. This is by Saint Eves. This is their tea tree body wash. Talking about the reviews, I really enjoyed the product. You can see I've completely used up the whole bottle. There is nothing left. I really enjoyed this product just because it has all amazing oils in it, like tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. These oils help to fight a fungal infection and also get rid of body odor. Also, I would not recommend this product for the people who are looking out for any fruity or flowery scents from their body wash, because this is definitely not for them, because this product has a very pungent and a very sharp fragrance to it because of the oils which are being used in it. And talking about the price point of view, it is for 399 for 275 ml, which is a steal deal. I mean, it is on the affordable side, so definitely a thumbs up from my side. So up next is a cleansing milk by Nivea. I particularly use this product to get rid of any makeup. I really love this product. I think this is my fifth bottle if I'm not wrong, and I already have one more repurchased in my vanity. I love this product to bits and pieces because this gets rid of any makeup, any dark lipsticks, any mascaras, any kajals, and it is not at all harsh on your lids, eyelids, or your face, because this is not a water based makeup remover. This is a cream based makeup remover, which doesn't harsh, it's not harsh on your skin at all. So definitely going to repurchase this again and again till I don't find an alternative. Talking about the price point of view, it is 160 rupees for 125 ml. I mean, again, on an affordable side. I really love this product, and it's amazing. I mean, thumbs up for this. Nivea is doing such a great job. So up next, I'm going to be talking about the day and night cream by Wow. This is their anti-aging day and night cream. This is how the packaging looks like. First of all, let's appreciate Wow for their packaging. These are luxury. I mean, look at the packaging. This looks so luxurious. You can see I have completely used up the product. There is nothing left in it. Firstly, let's talk about the 10-in-1 Active Miracle Day Cream. It says it has no parabens and no mineral oil. It has talking about the ingredients, it has such good ingredients like shea butter, cocoa, honey, Moroccan oil, vitamin B5, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and lots more. I really love this product because it is not at all greasy. Like you really need a very tiny amount to apply all over your face, and you're good to go for the whole day. Talking about the price point of view, it is for 650 rupees for 50 ml. but believe me, this product will last you for a very long time, and I love this product. Talking about the night cream, this is the anti-aging night cream. I specifically recommend to buy this product, after the age of 20 or 25, it is very important to start working on for anti-aging products for your skin. Again, this says no paraben and no mineral oil. Talking about the ingredients, again, it has shea butter, aloe vera juice, vitamin C, vitamin E. It also fights against blemishes. So talking about the night cream, this is the anti-aging night cream, and it is on a thicker side. The formula is a little thicker than the day cream, but it doesn't feel thick on your skin at all. It is a very, like, the minute you apply it, it absorbs into your skin and gives you a moisturized skin the whole night. Definitely, going to repurchase this very soon. So up next, I have again one more body wash. This is by Vivelle. This is their cucumber and mint body wash. This is for 40 rupees, just 40 rupees for 100 ml of the product. I have done a detailed video, a review video on my Instagram, so please do go and check it out. Talking about the body wash, I enjoyed the body wash a lot. I mean, for 40 rupees, this lasted me for such a long time, and you really need a very tiny amount to go on your loofah and just double it up and triple it up. I mean, also talking about the fragrances, it has mint and cucumber, so it is refreshing on your skin. I enjoyed the product. Definitely, if I get a bigger size of this product, I would repurchase it for sure. So, thumbs up. So up next, I have this product by Mama Earth. This is their eye cream, under eye cream, which has cucumber and coffee in it. Personally, to be very honest, I did not like this product at all. I still have one or two use out of it. I have used this product couple of times, but to be very honest, I didn't find any difference in my under eyes using this. This retails for 5.99 for 50 ml, and to be very honest, I'm not going to repurchase this for sure, and I didn't even enjoy the product at all. So thumbs down. I mean, Mama Earth is a good brand. I mean, I have used couple of their products, but this particular product didn't work for me. So no worries. So up next, I have a foundation. This is by Lakme 925. Primer plus matte powder foundation. You can see how much I have used this. There is nothing left. Talking about the reviews, I love this foundation. 2 bits and pieces. This gives such a flawless and finished look to your skin. This is definitely not a full coverage, but a medium and buildable coverage foundation. The days when I do not feel like applying a primer and a foundation and a concealer, this is the only product which I use. I'm currently also using the same one. I have repurchased it once again. I have a backup with me. Talking about the price point of view, it is 9 grams for 600 rupees. I'm in the shade Natural Light, and I really love this product. Definitely a thumbs up from my side. So up next, I have a body mist by Miniso. This is in the fragrance Passion. There is legit nothing left out of it. This retails for 150 rupees for 150 ml. I mean, really a very good steal deal. Definitely on an affordable side. Talking about the fragrance, it is it's very subtle fruity fragrance, but it doesn't last for a very long time. It's like just a quick fix kind of thing, and that is what was my purpose of buying this. So whenever I'm traveling, and or whenever I just need a very little quick fix kind of thing, I reach out to this and I use this. It's basically only for my traveling purposes. So this was it for my products empties. I hope you liked the video, and this was my mini reviews and honest reviews on the products which I have been using for a couple of months. If you like this video, please do give it a like, share to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel to know more about my upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye.